Hi, I am a web developer and you are watching my YouTube channel Developer. I am going to cover front-end web development in a series of 3 videos. First HTML, second CSS and third JavaScript. And this is second video of web development course. And in this video we learn all CSS properties and their working. So subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more updates. Now without time wasting, let's get started. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet and its first property is colors. CSS supports 140 plus color names, hex values, RGB values, and HSL values. And RGB values, HSL values, and opacity. RGB stand for red, green, blue. Basically, in this we give red value, green value, blue value in numbers. And hex as well. In hex we have to show in hashes, hash double F, triple F, hash 00 double F, like this. And then HSL. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. Next, borders. The CSS border property allow you to specify the style, width, and color of an element's border. There are different types of borders like dotted defines a dotted border, dashed defines a dashed border, and solid defines a solid border, double defines a double border. Margin. Margins are used to create space around elements outside of only defined borders. And padding. Padding is used to create space around an element's content inside of any defined border. In CSS height and width. CSS height and width properties are used to set the height and width of an element. Box model. In CSS, the term box model is used when talking about design and layout. The CSS box model is essentially a box that wraps around every HTML element. It consists of margins, borders, padding, and the actual content. CSS text. The style which we can provide to the text are text color. We can change the color of text, then text alignments, text decoration, text transformations, text spacing, text shadow. And CSS fonts. There are different types of fonts like font family, font web safe, font fallbacks, font style, font size, font Google, font pairings, font shorthand. And CSS links. A tag, a link, a normal unvisited link. A visited, a link the user has visited. A hover, a link when the user mouses over it. A active, a link the moment it is clicked. And CSS lists. In HTML, there are two main types of lists. Unordered list, that is UL. The first item, the list items are marked with bullets. Ordered list. The list items are marked with numbers or letters. CSS tables. Table borders, table size, table alignment, table style, table responsive. These are the styles which we can provide to the tables. Then display properties. The display property specifies how an element is displayed. The position property. The position property specifies the type of positioning method used for an element. There are 5 different position values: static, relative, fixed, absolute, sticky. Z-index. This Z-index property specifies the stack order of an element. In CSS overflow. The overflow properties specifies whether to clip the content or to add scroll bars when the content of an element is too big to fit in the specified area. The overflow property has the following values: visible, which is default. The overflow is not clipped. The content renders outside the elements box. Then hidden. The overflow is clipped and the rest of the content will be invisible. Then scroll. The overflow is clipped and a scroll bar is added to see the rest of the content. Then auto. Similar to scroll, but it adds scroll bars only when necessary. Then float property. The float property is used for positioning and formatting content. The float property can have one of the following values. Left. The element floats to the left of its container. Right. The element floats to the right of its container. None. The element does not float. This is default. Inherit. The element inherits the float value of its parent. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more updates.